Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of wireless Bluetooth headsets with the Tws Earpuds. If you're in the market for a new pair of sport gaming headsets with top-notch features, then you've come to the right place. First off, let's talk about the impressive features of these earbuds. With ENC noise reduction and hi-fi stereo, you can expect crystal clear sound quality and a wider sound field for an immersive audio experience. The smart touch control and comfortable fit make these earbuds a breeze to use, and they come with different ear tips to ensure a perfect fit for your ears. But what really sets these earbuds apart is the advanced Bluetooth chip and automatic fast pairing. With a stable signal and clear sound quality, you won't have to worry about any annoying interruptions during your gaming or workout sessions. Now, let's talk about battery life. These earbuds support fast charging, and you can get 1.5 hours of use time after just 10 minutes of charging. Plus, with the portable charging case, you can extend the playtime up to 20 hours, so you can keep the music going all day long. And let's not forget about the LED digital display and colorful design. With the futuristic translucent charging box and a total of 5 colors to choose from, these earbuds are not only functional but also stylish. So, if you're in need of a new pair of wireless earbuds that offer top-notch sound quality, comfort, and style, then look no further than the Tws Earpuds. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on a pair today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and product recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.